Hi everybody. So I just was mining. I just was mining and I went like to the mine shaft area and I didn't even know, well, I didn't know that the lava dimension was there. But I went into the lava dimension. I found the lava rock and this is my first time getting it. Look what it's like. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't kill me, but this is what it looks like. It's really cool. And I decided to make a video on it. And I'm gonna go sell it. Hopefully it gives me a bunch of money. If it does, I'm probably gonna go in there like every day and get money. But anyways, let's go and sell it. And guys, I hope you like my last video with like the turning into an actual car and animal company. But yeah, hopefully this gives me a lot of money. Guys, I will be doing a tutorial of how to get to the lava dimension if you guys don't know how. But yeah. Holy moly. 605 for one? Holy moly, that's actually good. I mean, I might just do this tutorial right now, actually. Yeah, I might just do it right now because it's a bit easy. I'm gonna get my crowbar out. Oh, that's a revolver. Just in case I find any of those purple ores. But let's go. Okay, so when you spawn, you go to the mines. And guys, the spiders are really easy to kill, so don't be worried about that. Turn on my light. Don't go that way, go this way. And then just go straight. Oh. Go straight. Okay. You come down here. Hold on. Let's see if there's any purple ores. I see one. I see two. Or three. Yeah, three. Guys, did you know that these actually give you the like crystals? Oh, that's pretty cool. You don't go in there. Hopefully there's still more down there. I didn't get anything from that. But let's go down here. Okay. Go this way. Holy schmoly. Can I get one? Nope. That's fine. You go over here. See a bunch of purple ores. Oh, crap. There's more purple ores. Oh, crap, I fell. Darn it. But there's still more. Guys, this is a really good way of how to farm the ores. You should really get these. They're actually useful. Okay, that's a teleporter. That's just a crate. I'm gonna open it.
I'm gonna see what that.
Okay, there's a person in my code, but that's actually kind of weird.
Yo, Shadow VR, okay? Shadow VR. Can you please get back to spawn? Or
nope. Sorry, dude. I'm making a video right now.
can we at least be in the video?
Yeah. I'm just doing a tutorial of how to get to the lava dimension.
I gotta
Or
I
you
got
couldn't even
a
hear me.
perfect video description of making a YouTube video, but I got interrupted.
Okay. Stupid little spider. Oh, a football. I'm pretty sure these are rare, so I'm gonna keep this. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they're rare. Yep, there it is. Then I'm gonna do of how to actually get in here. Okay, so you just drop all the way down. And guys, don't be scared when you're in the lava dimension. I'm pretty sure you guys know this already, but just for like another time of saying it, there's like flying fish that like throw like lava balls at you, but don't worry, they have to like take like 7 or 8 seconds just to charge up, so you can run away. But yeah, it's just down here. You just go all the way down again. Whoa, that was...
Yo, Shadow VR.
What?
Where the hell are you?
I'm making a tutorial of how to get to the lava dimension.
Oh.
Sorry for...
Bruh, he goes the easy way. Okay, just like don't listen to him. Okay, he's making a video.
A little bit.
He's making a video.
But yeah. Yep, here we go. It's this way, I'm pretty sure. There's no monsters in here either, I'm not sure. Pretty sure. It's really loud though. And then you just drop down and then you're in. Well, not in yet, but close. Why am I lagging so bad? Then you just drop down here, and then boom, you're in the lava dimension. Oh my god, I almost just... Oh, there's some. Wait, those are the flying fish though. There's a whole bunch of them actually. I don't know how it took me that long to try to find them, but there's a whole bunch of them. Don't want to go over there.
Yo, bro, we got 2 YouTubers in this shit. We got 2 YouTubers.
There's just one floating. It's kind of funny. Here. I'm gonna take that. Put my crowbar in there. I'm gonna... Actually, never mind. I'm gonna go off this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Because it's easier. I kind of do want to get that rock, though. Shoot. Oh, wait. What the heck? What the heck? It's just sitting here. Thank you. There was like too much like flying fish by those, and it was kind of, oh shit, sorry for cussing. Oh crap. Please don't see me, please don't see me, please don't see me. Oh, I'm cooked. Frick, I forgot the lava damages you. Oh my god, I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked right now, chat. Oh my god. I have to go back. This is where Gorilla Tag comes in. Let me cook. Oh shoot. Never mind, I'm probably gonna have to go over there. Or, yeah, I'm probably just gonna go over there. Whatever, those flying fish could get me all they want. But they're not catching me. They have to catch up to me first. Which that ain't happening. Cause I'm a speedy boy fast. Oh my god, why is that so tiring? Don't fall. Frick. No! Crowbar! I have to go down there and get it. I have to lock in. I have to make a mission. I have to make a mission. Get out of my way, you stupid rocks. Where did it fall? Like, right here? Down here somewhere? Shoot. Gorilla Tag, save my life. Bro, what? Wait, what? Oh, it's like down here. Right? I see it. I see it. It's like right down here. Hopefully. Yep, I see it. I got it. Oh my god, I almost died. My health is almost gone. Yes. Yo, wait. Yo, am I bugging? Hold up. Frick. Oh, nope, that's the wrong one. Frick. Am I bugging, bro? Wait, what? Is my backpack full? I don't care about that football anymore. I let it fall. Wait. They only make it to 5? Where did that football even go? Yo, I think I might be bugging. Yo, why is there just 2? Why is there just 2 sitting there? Okay, I got that. Backpack. Come on, it's right there. And guys, just to let you know. Oh crap. Just have to wait for it to go down again. Just to let you know, guys, there is a teleporter, so. God. I'm going back this way. Oh no, there's some right there. This is a bad situation, guys. Brick. I might have to make a run for it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a run for it. Frick. Yep, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Oh, When did this get there? Oh, I'm almost dead. I can't die, bro. I actually can't. Perfect. Go down. Go, 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 go. Go. Yes. Oh my God, let's go. Whew. My health is almost
Don't grab
gone.
his stuff, dude. That's my friend. Oh, hello. Are you Shadow VR?
PvP on. Whose backpack is this?
No one.
Nobody knows.
Can I take
Are
it?
you Shadow VR?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Yeah, I'm Shadow VR. But
So there's 3 YouTubers, or there was 3.
okay, PvP is disabled. So you guys are probably gonna get like over maybe $2,000. Oh, thanks. Sunny.
Why?
Thank you.
I don't know.
Free backpack.
I also duplicated Spider-Man. I'm just gonna open this.
Exactly over 2,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Who says we should go
Bye,
get the
everybody.
Molten cubes? Guys,
I'm gonna
idea.
I'm gonna go
Who
with a
here
different code.
agrees that we should all go down in sewers and dupe suitcases?
Bye, everybody.
Suitcases are still relevant?
Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I got myself a free blue backpack, so that's pretty good. Anyways, that's what the lava rocks look like. You're welcome for the tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe. And you guys should go check out my other friends. Their name is I forgot their names, but you should go check them out. They're on YouTube. That's all I know. Anyways, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.